Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Boxy charm and a Topbox video. This is November's, I think. I am really behind in these. For that, I apologize. There's some stuff going on that I am going to actually film a video on, so stay tuned for that. But that's also why I haven't really been uploading consistently like I used to. But we will get into that in a whole nother video. So let's just jump right into Topbox's November box. This is very, very light and everything's kind of like jumbling around in here for a very good reason. There's no like fluff in here. Okay, so the first thing I see is this bubble wrap, which is definitely a nail polish. I'm very certain we've gotten something like this before. This is in Fame Game. It's actually very, very pretty. It's very nice. I actually might keep this. I don't paint my nails very often. The problem with painting my nails is well, they come off. I have a gel nail polish thing and a UV like light, and they usually come off no matter what. Regular nail polish, because I'm a hairdresser, I wash my hands very frequently. My hands are always in water, and nails tend to chip quite a bit that way. I think if I were going to a professional to get like gel nails, it'd probably be a bit different, but I don't. In Canada, it's kind of expensive to get your nails done here. I don't know what it's like in other parts of the world, but I have had like a pedicure done in the States when I was in California, and it was cheaper than the pedicures here. So to get your nails done, it's more than $100 just to get like a little bit of color on your nails. Like it's expensive here. Well, where I am in Vancouver. So anyway, up next is something I don't have a clue what this is. This is it says Paris on here. Ugh. Laboratories something Paris. I don't want to butcher this name, and I'm assuming it's French, but you know what, I don't know. And this is the Skin Unify. This is like an itty bitty little cream. This is 7 milliliters, and it literally just says on here nothing in English. Illuminating even skin tone cream. Sure. There's not even a stopper on this thing. Okay, so it's a face cream, I think. To be honest, I can't really tell. It smells very, it smells very flowery. Very something that I would think would be like a French perfume kind of scent. And then there is this here. This is from Kylie Skin, which is obviously, if you haven't heard of Kylie Skin, then you probably don't know who the Jenner and the Kardashians are. This one is for face moisturizing one. This is just their face moisturizing cream. This is so tiny. But, I mean, Kylie Skin isn't exactly cheap, so there is that tiny little one. And then the last thing in here looks like it could be a full size, and this is from Medusa's Makeup. It's a vegan-free, vegan-free. Oh, no, it's vegan. It's cruelty-free vegan. This is a tinted lip balm in Social. Let's open her up. Okay. I really like Medusa's Skin's packaging. It's very like chic and cute, and it's got little like, okay, I mean, that's not bad. I don't really want to swatch this because I don't normally keep these, but there's something on here. It's like this little black thing from packaging. Oh, actually, that's really cute. It's very, very light. I actually like that. I think I'm going to keep this. I don't really have a lot of tinted lip balms. I'm still wearing a mask at work. We don't have to wear masks at work right now anymore. We don't have to wear masks in Canada at all, not even to fly anymore. But for some reason, I'm a little uncomfortable not wearing my mask. So I really like this color. Because it's a tinted lip balm, it'd be nice if I'm just like put it in my purse and wear it when I'm going out to the grocery store or something. Not that I wear makeup to the grocery store, but anyway. So out of all of those, I am definitely going to keep the Kylie Skin, even though it's tiny. And then I'm going to keep the Medusa's thing. I might actually keep the nail polish. The only thing is I think we have something literally exactly the same as this one from the same brand from like last year. So I think I'm going to check the nail polishes and then give it away if I have something similar. If not, then I am going to keep it because I like to hoard nail polishes even though I don't use them. And then I might keep this, but because of the scent, it might bother my skin a little bit. So I might have to get rid of it. Okay, so for Boxy Charm, just as a heads up, this is probably going to be the last Boxy Charm. I might end up having to get the next one after this month. I'm not sure how canceling goes and how if I have to pay for the next one. So I don't know why they're so expensive. I remember when I signed up for Boxy Charm, these were really inexpensive. I remember getting the products for them. They were, I think I was paying under $30 Canadian for a box. And with recent things going on, I haven't really loved all the boxes lately. And a lot of stuff I don't really use anymore. But with this switch over from American to Canadian dollars, these boxes are almost $50. Literally $49, like $70. So for to spend $50 on a box like this is fine. It wouldn't be a big deal. If I was using everything, I'm not using practically anything out of these boxes anymore. And I don't know if it was the switch over from them being bought out by Ipsy, but I really haven't loved them, and to spend $50 on something that I'm not really liking, it's still a great thing if you're liking the things in the box, or you have a don't have a lot of makeup, or you're a makeup artist is trying to fill up their kit that has like different things in it. This would be a really good idea, but I have so much stuff, so this might be the last one. I am definitely going to be canceling. So yeah, without that whole rant, let's get into what's in this one. So this one is for November, and this is called, this says Boxy Charm on it, obviously, and this is called Giving Giftable Glam. Okay, so November is definitely Thanksgiving in the States, so I'm definitely thinking that that's like a Thanksgiving theme. Okay, so in here's the orange thing again. This is what it looks like. The first thing on top is actually an Ofra palette. So this is the Signature Palette Symphony in the Ofra. On the box it says, give them pitch perfect looks. Okay, so I don't know anything about this. This box I didn't pick anything in. So that is the signature look of Ofra. There is makeup all over the back of here. Like, it looks like it's, oh, I really hope this isn't busted. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. Ooh, okay, so this is really pretty. Oh, shit. That is why. What the hey? Are those supposed to come out? Nope. Okay, well, I'm going to have to glue that one back in. So there's that. Okay, so those are what they look like. I mean, okay. No. Okay, I'm just going to hold this one in. These are what they look like. Damn it. Okay. So these are very pretty. They are, the names are Sublime, Chime, Blissful, Tempo, and Godiva? I think that's what it's called, Godiva. Anywho, and I think they go this way. So there are 2 mattes, 2 shimmers, and 1 beautiful, I'm assuming it's a highlighter. Yeah, this, oh, Blissful is the highlighter. Okay, so what they do is they put 2 shimmers, 2 mattes, and then a highlighter. To be fair, I mean, that's not bad, because then you could take this on a vacation with you. The only thing is I'm gonna have to glue that one back in, but you can see, like, the mattes are really kind of like orange. This one looks like it's a bit orangey, so am I gonna keep this? Oh yeah, probably. I'll swatch it. Oh, it's really light. It's a lot lighter than I anticipated it to be. Oh, it has a bit of a pinky sheen to it. There's that. I thought it looked orange in the pan, but maybe it's just the way the lighting is. Okay, so there is that. I'm gonna have to glue that in, and I am actually gonna keep that. I don't normally keep a lot of the palettes that keep coming in these Boxy Charms, because to be honest, I have so many eyeshadow palettes. Okay, the Ofra, so this is a $32 palette, so that's not bad. Let's see what else is in here. This is from Bye. From Ciate, London. And this is the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. So we just got another primer in. I think I got a primer in my Topbox last month. And so this is the very regular kind of, I got color on here already. You know, it has a thing on it, so I'm not going to actually open it because I am cycling through a few of my other primers right now. Let's just see what this one says. So this is a this is a $28 primer. This is to help prep skin for dewy makeup application with a cushy texture. The primer provides a glow with a dewy like glass finish. Okay, so I mean, that's not bad. I'm gonna keep this because I probably need some more primers. I am kind of cycling through them, and I did do a primer haul. I did do a primer declutter, so I did get rid of a bunch of primers, so I'm going to keep that for now. Next up is this in, I do not know what this, Lower East Side? I've never heard of this. This is, oh, it's a new launch. That explains a lot. Okay, so this is a cream bronzer. Now, I like the packaging. I think it's super cute. It's called Brownstone. This is just a little, like, color is called Brownstone. I don't really like the, okay. This is a cream bronzer. I don't use cream bronzers very often. This is definitely a full-size product. I mean, it's Boxy Charm, so that is very dark. And I'm tan. Tanned? I'm tanned. I still have my tan a little bit from my Mexico trip, which eventually you will see some footage of. But no matter how much I slice it, I do not think this is ever going to be my color. I wish I was as tan that I go where it is, but ooh, I don't even want to swatch it. To be honest, I'm not going to keep this. I would love to try to swatch it to see if it's the right color, but I'm never going to use it, even if I was probably around that color. So there is that. This is an $18 less cream bronzer. That's actually not, I mean, $18 is pretty decent. There are 2 more items in here, and I'm going to go with the one that I know of so far. So this is from Tarte, and this is one of their Maracuja Juicy Lips. So this is, I think it's a lipstick, to be honest. What is the color in? This is in Rose. I don't like the smell of rose, but maybe I like the color. It looks like it's a very nice, like, light pink color. I don't know if this is like a full lipstick or if this is... This says that it's a sample and not for resale on the box. Thanks, Tarte. Okay, so I don't normally... I had a lot of Tarte products a long time ago. I still have a bunch of Tarte products. I get a discount because of being a makeup artist, but I haven't really bought in any of their new stuff, so... Okay, I don't want to push this up. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to do a swatch. How do I... It smells good. Oh. Oh, I just stuck my nose in it. It doesn't smell like rose. Kind of smells like the beach. Is that weird? That's weird, right? It kind of smells like the beach to me. Ooh, that... Oh, that was the dumbest swatch ever. That is... Ooh, that's pretty. That is... They're not joking when they say juicy. It's like a... Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so I think this... I don't know what this is. Let me look at this. Oh, I just got it stuck in my hair. Oh, this is definitely a lip gloss. Okay, so they said that this is... They say that this is a gloss color treatment. Features 10 different oxidants, rich fruits to smooth, nourish, and help cushion your lips. Instantly plumps and smooths any lines. This mirror shine formula is always comfortable and never sticky. Ooh. Oh, I mean, it's not. And it smells like coconut. That's what it is coconuts. That's why it smells like the beach to me. It smells like coconuts. I'm going to try this, to be honest. And if I like it, I might have to pick up a few more of these. That's really nice. Not that I wear a lot of lip stuff. I got rid of, like, so many lip products recently. I like more than a bag of lipstick. Stuff that you can't give to people, in case anyone was wondering. So this is a $21 lip. So it's going to be more in Canada, but to be fair. Okay, so up next and last is this here. So I've never heard of these. I've never heard of this brand, and it's some institute, I don't know. And this is called Transport. This is a container. There's a little thing in here. So all of them have little, apparently, so by the looks of it, they all have a dot on them for some reason. I guess it's for what it's supposed to be. These are Transport pads, exfoliates and hydrates without irritation. Okay, let's see what they look like. So, yeah, they definitely feel like. This is the packaging. There's literally a little bit of a thing on here that says Transport 50 pads, how to use, smooth over clean skin, neck, and upper chest. That is it. I can't smell them. Am I going to keep these? Probably. What does this say? Positive side effects. Dries. There's some dryness. I don't need any. I'm already dry. But it does say that if your dryness does occur during the week, that it's a good sign. It says, do not stop. The skin... Oh, it's supposed to dry your... What the heck? Okay, where's the thing on this thing? They gently exfoliate and treat your skin to take a whole new level. Powered by MDT5, which who knows what the heck that is. I don't. These soft, saturated cotton pads are designed to help improve skin's tone, texture, and clarity with 8% buffered AHA formula that gently exfoliates dead cells. Okay, so they take off dead cells off of the skin. Let's see if they smell good. It says that dryness may occur on the thing, but to keep using them. My face is already super dry. Like, it is dry. Okay, this is a stupid big container for how many little pads are in here. Like, it's like half the container is empty. They smell okay. Just gonna take that off because I'm gonna start using these. My face is already dry, like I said, so I really hope that it's not gonna dry my skin out. So I don't know if I'm supposed to use them every day. Let me see if I can find. It doesn't say on here, so it doesn't really say. Maybe I'll use them every once in a while. All right, so this, yeah, this is a $65 product. Would I ever purchase this again? Nah, brah. That's a no for me. But that is everything in my Boxy charm this month. To be honest, the only thing I'm getting rid of is this, and it's only because it's too dark for me. So, I mean, that's not bad. Might as well try these. They're like $65. All right, so altogether, this box is $164. That's actually not bad. I mean, do I really think that this is worth 65 bucks? No. But to be honest, it's not bad. So I am spending $55 for this, or 50 bucks for this. So these 3 items alone cost, oops. Yeah, I'll say that there. These 3 items alone pretty much cost that anyway. This here in Canada is probably like 32 bucks, to be honest. So, I mean, there's that. All right, well, that is everything for November's Topbox and Boxy charm. I hope you guys are staying safe and have a great day.